In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ungroup component in Figma. If you've ever placed a reusable component on your canvas and wished you could freely move or customize the pieces inside it, this quick workflow is exactly what you need. First, open your design in Figma so you are in the file where you want to work. With the file open, look to the left sidebar and switch to the Assets tab. This is where all your components live, whether they're local to the file or coming from a shared library. Find the component you want to use and simply drag it from the Assets panel onto your canvas. What you've placed is an instance of that component, meaning it's linked to the original and will normally inherit any changes made to the main component. To ungroup it from the component so you can edit everything inside, select that instance on the canvas. Right-click it, and from the menu choose Detach Instance. The moment you do this, you are breaking the link to the original component. Think of it as converting a locked, reusable part into regular layers you can fully control. It will no longer update if the master component changes, which is perfect when you need one-off edits and custom layouts. Now that it's detached, you can click into the content and drag the internal elements anywhere you like. Rearrange icons, move text blocks, adjust spacing, or restyle individual layers without restrictions. In the Layers panel, you'll notice that the former instance is now a normal group or set of layers. So selecting, reordering, and organizing items works just like the rest of your design. This gives you complete creative freedom while keeping the original component safe and unchanged elsewhere in your project. That's the entire process. Open your design, bring the component from the Assets tab onto the canvas, select the instance. Right-click and choose Detach Instance. After that, feel free to position and edit the inner elements to match your exact layout needs. It's a simple step that unlocks detailed control whenever a component's structure needs to be customized. Thanks for watching and enjoy designing with more flexibility in Figma.